Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to create a targeted lead list, and we will have a look at two options here. One app and one Chrome extension, so you can do the same. Without spending a dime, you will be able to do exactly as I show you in this video. So let's start. Let's say you are a cold mailing agency and you are looking for people doing cold mailing. You want more clients and you want to onboard as many as you can. Of course, you want to grow your business. So here you can type cold mailing. And the goal is to look for people that do cold mailing. So I can head to post here and I have some posts about cold mailing. So here, dear cold email agency, they like to you. So this one might be a great post. This one here talks about doing cold mailing, cold call. So let's say that here I see that 54 people like this post. Let's say that here my ideal client is in there. So this post targets my ICP, ideal customer profile. So I have 54 people that might need what I sell. So I'm going to use the Chrome extension called Goji Berry. So I can import people from search. This is what I'm doing here. I can import people from Sales Navigator or import event attendees. So if I click here on reactions, I can just select a list where I want to import people. So I'll select outreach. I can click on import reactors. And here I'll add 54 people to my outreach system. So that's one way to do it. You can use the extension and do it manually. So that's for search. Now I'm going to show you how it looks like for Sales Navigator. So here, as you can see, I've imported 54 people that I will be able to contact later on. So here, looks like it's all good. So now let's have a look at how to import leads from Sales Navigator, and I'll show you the leads and how it looks like. So import success. So here, if I go to Sales Navigator now, I can just go to lead filter here. I can search for, let's say, people in SaaS business in France. So here they are. I can click on import leads, choose the list where I want to import people. So I'll show you later what that means. Put 200, start page number, let's say 30, and click on import. And here I'm going to import 200 people into my system, and then I'll be able to download them as a CSV or even find their email and so on. So once this is done, I'll get 200 leads here plus 54 from before. So this extension is great to import people directly from Search, Sales Navigator, or Get Attendees. So once this is done, you can go to your Goji Berry account. So you can have a free trial for 7 days. So for 7 days, you can scrape as many leads as you like I just did. So if I reload this page, I can see here, Alexander lead imported from post reactions and is in the outreach list. And if I go back to Sales Navigator, well, it's still loading to import those leads. So if I have a look here, I have access to all these leads. So they were on the post I scraped. I can enrich their email in one click. And I can also, if I click here, get a personalized email message ready to be sent, or a personalized LinkedIn message as well, that I can just copy and paste if I want to do it manually. So that's great. The import gives me the email if I want. So here I found the email, but I'm not going to click on it. And I have the signal, so I know these leads were imported from post reactions. Once I have these leads, this is what I can do. I can just select all the leads. So they are in a list. I can add them to a list if I haven't done that. I can go to campaigns, and here I can run a campaign. So if I click start a campaign, I can choose the list, of course. So let's take that one. I can select the LinkedIn account to send messages. So I have two. I'll choose mine. I can select if I want to send invitation plus notes, or no invitations at all. So let's put invitation. And here, that's the interesting part. Either I send the same message for everyone. I can generate it with AI or write my own template. Let's generate it with AI. So, hey, first name, curious how company handles outbound personalization at scale. At GoJBerry, we auto-write 1-1 emails and LinkedIn intros from live signals, so reps book more meetings with more manual work. Interested to see a quick example. So that's one way to do it. Either you choose your own template, or you can click on AI personalized message, and this will send the message I showed you before in the video. So directly from LinkedIn, you can scrape leads, put them in a LinkedIn campaign, and then get responses. So when you build your messages here, you can use GIF, you can add PDF, you can add variables. You can really do like great personalization. Then if you want to do cold mailing, you can integrate with Instantly, with Clay, with Lemlist, and with your CRM as well. And we also have Webhook and Zapier. So that's one way to do it. If I go back to leads here, see the 200 people have been imported. These ones are the 200 from Sales Navigator. So it imported 98 out of 200. So I get the leads here. But there's another way. So one way is doing this manually. You go to post, you type some keyword, you scrape the leads, you enrich them, and you put them into campaign. This works really well. Just because the leads are active, they have some intent, and they are within your ICP. So there is also another thing you can do without scraping from your Chrome extension. So if I go here and I scroll down, I have, for example, Leonardo just engaged with a post with the keyword sales. So with GoJBerry, we are capable of doing everything I showed you before, but automated. So this is how it works. When you log in into the platform, you can create an AI agent. So let's take that one. So you define your ideal customer profile. So you say, okay, I only want to target founders or CMOs from France and United Kingdom or United States that I want to target this industry, these company types, and I want the company to be this size. So you can define your ideal customer a bit like on Sales Navigator, but that's where it gets interesting. Then you can track signals. You can detect people who interact with your LinkedIn page or who visit your profile. This is called intent. You can track people who engage with a really specific keyword, such as cold email, hey reach, outreach, Instantly AI. So you can type the keyword you'd like. If you are into accounting, you can put SaaS accounting, for example. So, and when you do that, we are going to look for your ideal customer interacting with this specific keyword. You can track experts and creators. So if you know that your customers interact with a specific influencers, or if you know that an influencer has your audience, you can put him here. And every time your ideal customer interact with this guy, you get the lead as well. You can track the most people that are the most active, companies that raise funds, job changes, and as well as competitor engagement. And so when you do this in your lead inbox here, if I change pages here, let's go to another page. So when you do this, every day when you wake up, you get new leads that engage with posts, engage with industry experts, with specific keywords. So you can track really what's going on LinkedIn and get leads. So once you have this, I mean, the hardest part of prospecting is done. Creating a lead list is a nightmare, and here you can do it 100% automated. You just set up an AI agent, set up your filters, and every day you will get your leads coming here. You can, of course, take the leads, export them as a CSV if you want, or send them into our campaigns. So as you can see, we track many signals, and we are capable of getting a lot of leads. So here it's imported leads. Here, just engage with a competitor. That's really interesting. And if I click here, I have access to the competitor post, of course. So that's two ways of doing it. And once you get the leads, either manually or with an AI agent, you create your own campaign. And once it's created, it looks like this with the list. Step number 1, the invitation, then message number 1, message number 2, and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. You can download our Chrome extension just below. You can as well take a 7-day free trial, and I hope to see you soon in another video. See you.